the cable.
Yeah, plug it in there.
Plug it in. Turn it on. It'll come on here. Yeah. That's the on switch. This is the camera rotation. So physically, that's the battery. That's the cable. The claw.
Oh, here's a piece of elastic. Yeah. Oh, there's still not there.
The kid's filming next door. So that's the rudder that goes on to here. This is the battery charger. So
that's
the charger. So physically, the charger clips onto here, red and black.
Yeah.
Plugs in the wall. Leave it overnight, 8 to 10 hours on a charge.
Excellent.
Yeah.
8 to 10.
So physically, at night, you've used it all day.
Yeah.
Bring it home, clip it on,
yeah.
Plug it in the wall, go to bed, get up in the morning, you're good for another 8 hours.
Yeah. And you probably plug it in to start.
Yeah, when you first get them, anybody I've just said plug it in for at least overnight.
Yeah.
There's charge because we're running.
Yeah.
So physically, that camera.
And the claw is working.
And there we go. So there you are.
Yep. Yeah.
And it goes both directions, so you miss something, you want to go back and look at it. It's right there. And then physically you can open and close this.
So it does 360
Yep.
from directly below where you drop it.
Right. Now, the other thing is,
and this keeps it from spinning.
Yeah, it keeps it from turning. So you're gonna hook this onto here so that it physically doesn't do one of these. It's straight up and down. The other thing is that this will tether with a rope to here, and then you've got a vertical as well. And then once you find what you want, then you can take this back up and then lower it back down and pick up what you want. And this will pick up 100 kilograms.
On this cable?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Now what they've done too now is they've shown this with a quick release so that you can actually hook a heavier rope on it and bring up more poundage.
Oh yeah.
If you wanted, if you had something bigger, you wanted a rope on here, the claws will hold it.
Like a snow machine, for instance.
You could bring it up a bit, but if you hold that, no, outside, don't put your fingers in the hole, but just hold it so you're trying to keep it open.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
So you're keeping it open.
Oh yeah, it's got
lots of pressure.
Yeah.
So physically, once you spot what you want on the bottom, then you can drop this back down, clamp onto it, and bring it back up. The camera is good for 110 feet, I think they said they've tested it. And now they give it in fathoms, but which didn't make much to me. But it's like 150 feet, I guess.
Yeah. Well, it would be the length of the cable.
Well, you go 150, 160 feet on the cable.
Yeah.
But they say that the lens, there's no problem with the pressure down to the end of the cable.
Yeah.
But they've got one that's even bigger, longer than this. This is 50 meters.
Yeah.
They've got a 75 meter, which was just way more cable.
Oh,
like
yeah.
Our suggestion, quite frankly, when we order the new ones, we're going to order 25-foot cable, 25 meter, because it's still 75 or 80 feet.
Oh yeah.
Who's going to go down any further than that?
Yeah. Yeah.
So physically, everything's controllable by this unit. It's got a light on the bottom, which in the night there's a halogen light there that shows up.
Yeah.
So you can see what you're doing.
Yeah.
And like I say, it all fits in the case. So you physically operate it by those two.
Okay, so that's the claw, because the claw is moving.
That opens and closes the claw.
And then that rotates,
the camera.
And does it go all the way around and around and around and around?
360 degrees,
Or-
keep turning it.
Okay, it
Keep
doesn't
turning
it doesn't get to an end.
Nope. And then you can reverse it just by hitting it. You can go the other way.
Yeah.
Like if you miss something,
Yeah.
you want to go back instead
Yeah.
of going all the way around the circle.
So do you know which direction it's facing when you stop it?
Well, it would be facing down because
Down.
it's on the cable.
Yeah, because it's sitting on the cable, so it's going to be straight down. So if you're going to pick something up, so you're going to put it over. You're going to find out what you're looking for. You're going to lower it down through the, and then you're just going to close the claw. Keep going.
Okay, I'm just got to catch up with the camera to it.
And bring it up to the top.